Hello and welcome back to another exciting tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will be creating a simple car racing game using Python and the Turtle library. With the help of Chat GPT, an AI-powered language model, we'll be developing a game that allows the user to move a car left and right to avoid obstacles and score points by collecting coins. So we asked Chat GPT to provide us with the code for the same. Once it stops replying, copy the code. Now open VS Code and paste the copied code. Click on Run button on the top menu bar. Now we can play the game. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.